In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sample in Snowflake, a useful technique for working with large datasets by retrieving a random subset of rows. Sampling can help you quickly analyze data without processing the entire dataset, which can be resource-intensive. Snowflake provides a straightforward way to perform this sampling using the sample or table sample clause. These two are equivalent in function, so feel free to use whichever suits your style. Let's delve into the details of how you can utilize these clauses in your SQL queries to make your data handling more efficient. First, you'll want to start by specifying which columns you need from your table. This is done using the standard select statement. For example, if you want to select all columns, you'd typically use an asterisk. Otherwise, list the specific column names separated by commas. Next, you need to designate the table from which you're sampling data. This part of the query is written as from, followed by your table name. At this point, you've set up the basic structure for your query just like any other SQL operation. Now here comes the key part of the process. After specifying the columns and table, you'll insert the sample or table sample clause. This is where the magic happens, providing you the ability to select a random subset of your data. Both clauses work interchangeably, so use them according to your preference. Following this clause, you need to decide on your sampling method. Snowflake offers a few options, like Bernoulli or System, for fine-tuning your sampling approach. The Bernoulli method uses a probability-based sampling, which can be more resource-intensive. In contrast, the System method utilizes system-generated randomness, which is typically faster. It's an excellent choice when you need a quick random sample without the need for detailed control over the randomization process. Once you decide on the method, it's crucial to specify how much data you want to sample. You can express this either as a percentage or a fixed number of rows, depending on the needs of your analysis or the constraints of your system. For instance, using a percentage like 10 would imply you want 10% of the rows randomly selected from the table. You could also request a fixed number instead, which might suit situations where you need a precise count. As we wrap up, remember that sampling in Snowflake doesn't alter the original dataset. It simply provides a temporary view for you to perform investigative analysis efficiently and effectively. Keep experimenting with different sampling rates and methods to best fit your specific use case, whether you're tackling exploratory data analysis or preparing data for more detailed investigations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to sample data in Snowflake. Feel free to dive into your datasets with these new tools at your fingertips, exploring the data landscape with ease and efficiency.